Welcome back, car enthusiasts! Today, we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated luxury vehicles of the decade, the 2026 Genesis X Convertible. This isn't just another electric vehicle, it's a bold statement from Hyundai's premium brand, Genesis, as they step onto the global stage with their first ever all-electric convertible. Let's break down everything we know so far about this stunning machine. First things first, what makes the Genesis X Convertible stand out visually? Well, if you've seen the concept version that debuted in 2022, you already know this car is a work of art. Designed under Genesis' athletic elegance philosophy, the X Convertible combines performance-inspired lines with luxurious refinement. Think of it as a rolling sculpture. The front end features Genesis' iconic two-line lighting, a hallmark of the brand's identity, and a wide, aggressive grille that gives it a commanding presence. The side profile screams elegance with its long hood, short rear deck, and generous dash-to-axle ratio, which hints at its high-performance credentials. And let's not forget that folding hardtop roof, rumored to include transparent panels for added flair when closed. But what really sets the Genesis X Convertible apart isn't just how it looks, it's how it performs. Reports suggest this will be more than just a pretty face. Underneath the hood, or rather where the front would be, you'll find a state-of-the-art dual-motor all-wheel drive system capable of delivering over 700 to 800 horsepower. That's right, Genesis is aiming for supercar-level acceleration here, with a projected 0 to 60 time of under 3.5 seconds. But unlike traditional gas-powered beasts, this EV is expected to offer a whisper-quiet ride paired with instant torque. Imagine launching off the line while enjoying the wind in your hair. It doesn't get much better than that. And speaking of going places, the Genesis X Convertible is rumored to come equipped with a massive long-range battery pack. Estimates point to a range exceeding 400 miles, or roughly 700 kilometers, on a single charge. That means you can take this grand tour from Los Angeles to Las Vegas without needing to stop for juice. Whether you're cruising down the Pacific Coast Highway or exploring scenic mountain roads, range anxiety won't be an issue with this beauty. Now, let's talk about the inside. As a halo car for Genesis, the X Convertible promises to redefine opulence. Expect top-tier materials like hand-stitched leather, real wood accents, and cutting-edge technology integrated seamlessly throughout the cabin. We're talking about a fully digital cockpit with customizable displays, ambient lighting, and perhaps even augmented reality features. With room for 4 passengers, or plenty of space for 2 with the top down, it strikes a perfect balance between practicality and indulgence. Whether you're driving or riding shotgun, every moment behind the wheel should feel special. So who exactly is Genesis targeting with this masterpiece? Well, make no mistake, they're gunning straight for the likes of Bentley and Aston Martin, specifically models like the Continental GTC and DB12 Volante. These are cars synonymous with prestige, craftsmanship, and exclusivity. But Genesis believes the X Convertible can hold its own. At an anticipated price tag exceeding $200,000, the Genesis X Convertible won't come cheap, but it's still likely to undercut many of its rivals while offering comparable or superior performance. Plus, being all-electric gives it a modern edge that combustion engine convertibles simply can't match. The 2026 Genesis X Convertible represents more than just a new model. It's a declaration of intent from Genesis. With its jaw-dropping design, blistering performance, and cutting-edge EV tech, this limited production convertible has the potential to shake up the ultra-luxury segment. Will it succeed? Only time will tell, but one thing's for sure, the future of grand touring is looking electrifyingly bright.